Okay. We're going to start the show. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, good evening, fellow Ambazonians. Yeah, the White Land, I see you. 21 gun salute. I salute all my way there on board. Fellow Ambazonian, my brother Wizzy, welcome on board. Any man I no call a name, no vex. So I to salute, 21 gun salute for all my way they watch me now. And I to 21 gun salute for the fellow Ambazonians, diaspora, and especially our people on ground zero, our restoration fighters with this to revolutionary greetings for this end. And tell when I say happy Sunday. Yes, we go start the show proper. We'll just start the show. I want first of all by thanking everybody. All my way, if you join hand for the yesterday show. For the show yesterday. For the big firewood. It will be a successful show. And we go in the progressive manner, not be geometric manner. We go in the progressive. Say in the geometric and progressive, it then are two. So we go in the progressive manner. Yes, because we see the mobilization of Ambazonian people willing to donate as far as the revolution be concerned. Our people will not go sleep. I want to thank all my way the support in hard-earned money, because we know it's not easy for Europe, America for work money, because we think say we the commot for ground zero, America and all the other continents we find ourselves. We think say for one money it be easy, but we can't discover say now almost the same for Sawe if we commot. So I want to appreciate, I thank everybody where we show up for the program yesterday for Big Firewood, and we raised a sum of $1,655 US dollars, approximate to 1 million something. Yes, approximate to 1 million something, and the show it no belong just about 1 hour show. We raise that amount of money. We should say we did in a good footing. We know say subsequently the draft it will come along the line, but our initiative, where in the last it go round the clock. Now initiative where it don't go end. Now initiative where we not think say we go end up till Ambazonian it gets our independent, till we get the independent way we want. So I want to thank all my way joined the show yesterday. The last show will be raised 2,500 US dollars. Approximately now, so for the account should be at least 3,000 US dollars. And yesterday we raised 1,650,000 US dollars. So approximately we are working in the progressive direction. So I want to thank all my way we show up yesterday. The game yesterday will be a very challenging game because the women they be defeat the men yesterday. When I recall the last game, now the men they be defeat women. But yesterday, the women they come up very powerfully, because even when the show they go on and they get messages where women they tell me say they don't send their money if I don't call their name. So when they tell me say it be very nervous, say the injury time they go and they win women them. If I not call in name, if I not call say don't give so amount, I say me no worry. And I tell I be call in name. And the women they get a victory, where the show says subsequently by Friday or Saturday, sure, we go still come back for the show and see who go win who. Because for the kickstart of the game, the men they will take the victory like Papa for house, and we along the line, the women don't challenge the men. Them Atama Honori, where he came yesterday with a very powerful shot, and for injury time, because injury time na time where you need to predict who will win the game until the game the final whistle be blown. But Ma Honori became yesterday with a very powerful shot where all the men them, as I will succeed with the win yesterday, the men they come, they know say we don't win the game. But Ma Honori come with a very powerful shot where not only broken our spirit, as they score the goal for the injury time, the men they not get no way than for accept the defeat yesterday. I want to appreciate the women them very powerfully, because as we see the revolution unfold, women they take a lead, especially women they take a lead for this revolution where because you see some revolution they think say na man picking they get for the contribute this better Ambazonian revolution. We don't see a contrary where the women they term for a challenge the men them as far as contribution it be concerned. Not forgetting to know that we there for Europe, we there for America, we there for the Western world, where as we work, women they do the work. Yeah, because all man they work. So women they there for the Western world, for Europe, America, where they get money pass their husband them, and then why not for support the struggle? We will not keep the mentality of Africans where we think say women not the second class citizen. No, all men be equal. They say what a man can do, a woman can do it better. So Ambazonian is a territory of gender equality. Ambazonian it be a territory where it go get a gender equality. A woman it go lead as a president. A woman it go be a vice president. A women they will lead the House of Assembly. Now so it go be, because our revolution it don't prove we say our women they for Ambazonians they be a very vibrant and giant women they be capable for rule that country and for give a better result as far as Ambazonian be concerned. So bravo and kudos to all the women. We now show the men they yesterday say if them no day we now take total control over the territory of Ambazonian. Now wait that way we now show we yesterday for tell we now massacre for house. Say if you cover eye today, you will take care for that picking the way you live am. Bravo to the women. But man, not also I forget about our men there too. I want to appreciate our men there too for say we not say you get a paid woman. We get to know any man pick away. You think say you know be paid woman, then you go find another word, because woman are a precious gift for the world where we need for pay them. As they come powerfully yesterday, we the men we get to accept the defeat, and then we clap for our women. As far as our revolution be concerned, we get to be proud of our women. If you are a woman in our house where you do some work, you get to be very happy. You give you a hand of applause. You support it. So we support the women. Not forgetting say the men them. Una do a great job last week, and we be give una kudos. We be give una applause. We be appreciate una. So this time, na time for the women, and una no vex if we over appreciate the woman, because a man go talk say why their own time will be win. You know, all over give them appreciation. Now na time for women you can't give over appreciation for women. No. We get for no say women are precious gift. Now so God don't make them. We need to appreciate women. We need to encourage women. Yes, because especially Africans, we get to start need to appreciate the effort of our girls, the effort of our women, for make them know, say, what a man can do, a woman can do better. We don't see women they be a pilot. We don't see women they don't be president. Like president now for this Tanzania, Nana women. So we give up appreciate our women. We give up encourage the women for Africa, because of society the way they take women like second-class citizens. We say we the people of Federal Republic of Ambazonian, we say no. We preach gender equality. Okay. Now, this one takes me now to introduction for which way did it happen along our territory as far as the revolution is be concerned. Fellow Ambazonian, fellow citizens, we don't listen the announcement where it comes out from the commissioner on Ground Zero, where in name na Comrade Willie, where he hailed all the way from the Manu County, where now he communicate directly, give decision to our fighters on Ground Zero. Fellow Ambazonians, I want to give a strict warning for any man, because with the years of fidelity, say some people they want to use the road for metasm. Some people want still to use that road for metasm. I will give warning, because any victim will get them. Anything will happen along that road. No way say you will see our restoration fighters stand. They do patrol. Say why you pass on the road. You don't go see them. You don't go see them. But as of now, where that road be born, we get reliable information. Say now military use that road now. That road will make us them. Now military use that now. And our restoration fighters, they go take the military unaware with long range. We not even stop motor. Any motor will see the pass along the Metasm road, we go take them down. Not ask me when, how. But we don't know what will happen for Manu Road. When they begin the lockdown for Manu, we hear one popular driver. He make noise. He make noise. Say, what is that boy they will do? He go. What is that boy they will do? But now he be the first target. Now he be the first target for send signal. Now he send signal now for all that people that they think like he for stubborn. For say that road. Now our restoration fighters, they control the Manu. A cock road. And this regard, I know, say some driver that was slow to make noise. Military go guide you now. Go leave them. But now remember, military not guide you forever. Military will take you go, but no guide you forever. So, when you want go Douala for La Republic, now you get a pass through Manfé. You take your motor from Bamenda, you go for Manfé Kumba, you enter Douala. I beg my country people again. So when they don't call say transport being so expensive, for the go round is expensive. Yes. So transport be expensive now pass your life. Transport it be expensive now pass your life. I beg our country people. I beg my people. When you want go for La République, where you come out Abakwa, take your moto, go Manfé, Kumba, Douala. Then, when you get news as there's an unfold, a strategy to come. In subsequent time, I don't know, at a year two, they go ban any traveling ambassador to La République. Now so with the year. So a word to a wise is sufficient. Secondly, we don't see the communicate where it did for Facebook, it did for WhatsApp messages. I would say our people for Ground Zero, they don't take that communication very serious. The commissioner for Ground Zero, God bless you, Comrade Willie. God bless you for the right time. The commissioner for Ground Zero, God bless you. He don't come for the right time. He don't pass. A communication you go on. Say, our restoration fighters, they will take note for this announcement. Any man will catch up for ambassador when he talk French. I mean French language. Bonjour, ça va, oui. Una arrest. Now the message that was na. Our result una hear again. Any man will go here for Ground Zero. For Ground Zero. Bonjour. Ça va? Oui. Una take it na military. We assume like na military. They say if you talk pidgin, your English, your vernacular, German, Italian, Dutch, but French language is being bound in the territory of Ambazonian. Some people will talk say, what will talk? Una go do 80. What will talk? Una go do 80. Talk, continue talk. When you talk the French, continue talk. But when they put your hand, we know here, you shall ring diaspora their phone. When they put your hand when you talk French, I mean French language, we know here, you ring diaspora their phone, you send messages for WhatsApp. And then, so infiltrators, where they believe say, they belong to the Federal Republic Ambassador, where they enable them, now they not start pressurize people. Release him. French language is a language. Release him. This time around, our commissioner need the joke. And the right man that way, Ambassador people will find them. Comrade Willie, he don't come. And that place where he stand, that place where Comrade Willie stand, no dog. No movie, because some enabler in the way they belong to county, they don't enter infiltrate the internal government, they don't enter infiltrate country, they don't enter infiltrate LGA. When it going to give the resolution, they will just say now like a detriment to their success. Comrade Willie, he got intervene all the 13 counties. And any LGA chair when one war we now we go know the enablers of this struggle. Now we go know people when they get this struggle at heart. You will no one war with Comrade Willie. Because we don't hear so small choo. The decision is so harsh. The decision you this is that. Then move keep on. Then they kill our civilians every day. Kill our people every day. We want me the story end. And now the best decision that this problem of language, when I take it very serious. I mean language. The language. At society, say they don't bound French language for Ambazonian. On a lié, bonjour, ça va, oui. You know they Ambazonian again. It be bound for the whole territorial integrity of Ambazonian. It be bound. Now, another communique is by the 22nd of this month, that should be Wednesday, so any La Republic French driver pack and go. Any La Republic driver pack and go from the 22nd of this month. Plenty in the day, but the one in the way I categorize the one in Unbound, Bhutan, Gandhi, all those things they are. But this one they so special enforcement. Special enforcement. We get it now. Ambazonian, we get a mobile win. Our mobile win is there around the patrol. When they will break you driver, they ask your particulars. You identify yourself like in La Republique. The words of all your accent. Hey, you be military man. You be military man. I say what all the drivers, La Republique driver, now step by step, would you go? Step by step, would you go? We didn't hear it. Step by step, but surely it go go. Surely it go go. All the La Republique driver in our territory, pack and go. Kumba, Manfred, Bamenda, Bello, Boui, Boya, Tico. May not be so no toko. Any driver when La Republique pack and go. Now the communicate that way. Our commissioner for Ground Zero, he don't enforce her. Before now, I come now for my main topic. Yeah, fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens. Before I come on my main topic, must crash the issue of General No PT and Watana Wata where we talk yesterday. Fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens, when I don't see the social media, don't be quiet, no noise. All plain be silence, quiet. We need to see, we need to hear the noise. The audio they get, you know they. Why? Our pleats with my fellow country people. The youth, them for the revolution. I mean say the youth, it will be very difficult. I mean say very difficult and difficult again for see a youth embezzling money for the revolution. That one are facts. That one are facts. It will be very difficult and difficult again for see a youth embezzling money for the revolution. You know why? You know why? We the youth will be very vocal. And we need to condole with anybody. So be who or who. We the youth, we need to condole. You fit be my best friend, but when it comes to the revolution, me and you will not get friends. And plenty of my friends them with the talk bet, and they tell them, when it comes to the revolution, you talk, I block you. We talk fine. Una see what you what do. That one na just na just a small what they do. We don't bring that one for outside because for long, water you never raise money. For long, all man know, you never ever see Prince Jeka come live, you can't raise money. But why don't let ambassador people know? Una dime. Una 5 francs. Una had money. Where una give for we. The money not ever go in vain. If we not succeed our project, that money will be whole. Be whole. That money, it must be whole. It go hold that money where tomorrow, una ask you say, who say that money where we give una? Say una want do this thing, who say they? We go tell una say the money this. We go tell una say the money this. No man will chop youth and he give una 100%. Youth, them no investing money for the revolution. Now, if you want to invest in people, but youth, they no investing money for the revolution. Now, why that way when I see people the fear when they see the youth, it come in powerfully for the struggle. I think say any married day for this struggle from 55 years, in short, most say 50, 60 years below. You see what we are trying to talk. From 60, 55 years, you see, as any player youth they enter, they tremble. As we enter, they tremble because they know say we need to take bomb. I enter some meetings on there, I challenge. I don't care we know who we did. I call your name, I tell you you're wrong, direct. If you don't be do me anything, because you know be my mommy. Even my mommy say my mommy only born me on part don't end for the world. As I born me, say me for school that on part don't end. Now so I be responsible for what I do. I be responsible. So you know me delay the struggle of 8 million people. Then you want me to see my lips. I see them because internally you kill me. If I see something to go wrong for this struggle, I then be quiet. I think say I the help now you or that internally I kill myself because me I be ambassador. I be ambassador. So they use them no fit. We crush General No Pity. Sorry, we crush General No Pity the issue like water na water. I want to thank our comrades, UN. I want to thank our comrade UN. Now, why the way when I see, when I look me for this revolution, I be one of the activists where you will hardly see me, I get a problem with another comrades where you been at the XA way will not even talk. It will be very difficult. I want to thank comrade UN as we talk now. You too, it there because I be telling you say the initiative of Big Firewood na team for all man, na team for all the activists. So our comrade UN 2 they go back in the work. Direct the work. He don't send. As so the talk now, so if people in the way they don't plan a true comrade UN for pay for the project for big firewood. I mean say people they don't plan a true comrade UN. He texts me before the one come and the one come live show. My give payment detail as I give as I then I see the long chat. It don't indicate. So now the spirit that. Now the spirit of unity that we want. Some people will come make noise say this, but we Ambazonian, we want unity. Now the spirit that we all man need to be on board. All man need to be on board. They will work smoothly and achieve what we want. We will get differences, and that difference is not being say we not get the same goal. Comrade, you every talk until I think say in the way that we may be team, we call it behind this. Then we can't realize I say now so it tells me no, it be things in a so. I say okay, in a so like last show before this one, where as I write I say my response to UN. He call me. He say what response for you? I say no. I need to call you now the United Nations. He say he said, but I put up with this United Nations when I put up with this so people that's not understanding. That call for back to say, bro, what you don't do in the year say my response to UN. He called me say, but now we should respond. I said no, I didn't mean say my response to the United Nations. So now the way that we all we activists and or I don't tell when I say activists all they will come in one bundle. And when they come to the show, and because we get some canker worm, them way they don't want me activists, they join. They the one thing say they feel not activists that hate that if I can't talk today this, you can't talk this, President can't talk this, Paul can't talk this, Clovis can't talk this all thing. It say now they work because now they way that in the Republic it operates. Where in not people that hate, no money accept a friend in view. They quarrel among themselves. Usually the government and it is follow. So now we will go to the plan of La Republic. Where it get among for Ndop, especially. Away La Republic get a plan for take away General No Pity. Fellow Ambazonians, we get a reliable intelligence. If it's on what, if it there before reliable, when it pass reliable, I mean say true intelligence, true intelligence, where La Republic gets a plan for attack Ngoktunja, and that attack, their map and strategy, a big drone, say they need General No Pity, dead or alive. If you talk so, General No Pity listen to me. You will be very careful and you retreat, go very far. They don't station army, La Republic, military for 3 camps for attack Ndop, and they will go for Ndop through. They don't pass through Bambili, stretch. They will skip. They will pass through up station, and the intelligent that way when you get them, they will pass through up station because as they pass through Bambili, intelligent will leak. So I want plead for the people on Gokutunja. No pity be so dear to us. One of the brave fighters of this struggle. Una tell say La Republic don't draw a map. But I know say it be ready to the task for face the enemy. But you get to know your enemy, their plan, so that you know how you go set your trap. We never know when they go enter, but now they plan that way. They get them. The intelligent man tell me say if you are blow off, sometimes they don't come again. But man, I don't blow because when they go hear the plan, they go shock. When I remember, say I be there when I say they will go attack Ndonono, some village for Ndonono. So as I be blow that alarm, I hear say query. He come out for that camp. Say how who know? How they do not say they want go attack that village? They not go again. So I did blow this one for General No Pity. La Republic, anything for attack Ndo. And they say they need No Pity dead or alive. And that one, he come as a result of the Kalashnikov. Because we see Kalashnikov where General No Pity hold him for online. He go trigger La Republic for go attack and they want go into the front. So the people on Gokutunja will draw a strategic and a brave traps. So that when La Republic go enter that trap, they will confirm court. Say they don't enter. I trust you now, what you have to do. I trust you now, what you have to do. So now the announcement that way, I can't forgive them for the people on Gokutunja. Then this one take me to the breaking news from Ground Zero. And before I write the breaking news, I don't see people don't post videos where come out all the way from Ekiliwindi, where our restoration fighters from Meme County, they hit the target, and they hit the target very hard. And we get intelligence say 5 of La Republic Ekelebe, they will sleep straight. We now know say Meme County, it be one of the county where it didn't say come, no mercy, it be all the operate. Meme County, it be a county where they deal, when I call it Chamberlain Paul, it is what I preach, peace, say no all thing, it is fine. But one day Chamberlain Paul, me go for archives of Kumba. Ask how Kumba the operates. We don't talk very well. I will sit up today, tomorrow. The war, Kumba and Bamenda. This war, these two. We forgot about the other one. Kumba, Bamenda, Center Town, Kumba. Yeah, but one day Chamberlain Paul say, our restoration fighters, they don't show you, say, when a sleeping dog, it is sleep. You can't pass the corner, you know, back. Not because you think say it don't die. Now say it is rest for gather more momentum. Here the Chamberlain Paul, if he testify how many explosions the way we don't try to do one, they don't work. As this one succeeds, Okay, the game don't start for Kumba LGA. As you see and so, you see for video. Okay, the tournament now for Kumba LGA, Meme County and large, their own tournament will start soon. With the time Bali Pose, me go prepare. Say the game for Kumba can start. Me prepare a football match. We will play the match. Then I go to this Mbonge LGA. I want beg all our population and at the one Godi where you go with DGR. And you get information say Godi, it is show people the way any man you don't pass. Godi the show say you be one of the restoration fighters, and in the work I show boys them, then they catch them, and when they catch you, they take a ransom of 700,000. Now what is that way they go on for Kumba now? I watch it that go on for Kumba now. We get series of people where they don't arrest them for Mbonge LGA. They go give 700,000 for release themselves when a Godi he show them say they be fighters where they no be fighters. I want to tell Godi say you don't go surrender and you think say go kill old man. I want to tell Godi say Nambere they go. Kawa Yanik they go. The right they go. The revolution will end. Remember fine. Your brave fighters. The day for DDR. The day for Yaoundé. But the revolution will not end. When you think say you go to betray people, or you think say you go to use a witchcraft for make the land public military enrich themselves, Mr. Godi, you are one. We know what we know one thing bad. We know one thing bad. Because if we think bad, that La Republic no guy do. Mr. Godi, if we think bad, La Republic no guy do. You feel make they arrest all man. Go show the own Mbonge, they arrest all man for Mbonge. Godi, talk me they arrest all man, start from Kake. Start from Kake, go read from Mbonge. Talk say me they arrest all man. You see how the struggle will end. And then see who say you will end. And then see your own achievement. Will you give you a warning? Will you give you a warning? If you don't go DDR, stay quiet. Like the other one, they stay quiet. Then now we come to the fight to Ekliwindi way. Some people they claim ownership. I see Dr. Akwanga claim ownership for the issue the way it happened for Ekliwindi. My fellow ambassadors, Dr. Akwanga now can claim ownership because success don't come. I want to tell you something. I want to tell ambassador people. Mato, it will be owned by ADF. I mean, Sokadef. Mato, now listen, Mato, it will be owned by Sokadef, Ekliwindi, and then you go even General Opopo for Muyenge. Now the people that way, Dr. Akwanga will control them. But I want to tell you, I say almost going to 2 years now. Now listen to me. 2 years now. Dr. Akwanga lost control over those guys. Any control anymore. I'm saying any control anymore. We get numerous calls. I'm saying Opopo, Mato, Eklewidi, Akwanga, any control anymore. But where? If you not do one, because we don't know people do one. No, we not do one. Yeah, but if you not do one, meeting the credit. Why would you worry yourself? Me to come. After all, it's in the Republic. But I want to tell you now, clean and clear say, Dr. Akwanga not get total control over any boys again. If you don't lose control, except say he want revamp, except say he want revamp come back. But I tell you now, fellow ambassadors, say he no get total control over any fighter for Ground Zero. Those fighters, they call they work with the interior government, they work with this. So man can say 99% of 99% of this. All the boys they work under the order under the interior government. When I listen that video when if you are plan act where naive is going to go do if you hear first time when I listen where something happen with the revolution, move the follow archives. If na first time when a Sokadefian, if you hear their first voice, if you hear we the Sokade, say we the Sokadefian, we dey on the alert, we dey on the alert. They for call their name before they launch their attack. That's how we get for no. If you were being a Sokadefian, do that act first thing before that audio, that video one come out. The first way that man call up a name. Now we the Sokadefian, we deal with the wait. Una watch the video fine. Una go watch time Sokadefian they do. First thing they will call Sokadefian. So if some people want getting relevance because they don't lost trust with people, they want call people back with their skin. Una find a better means for call people back with their skin. Una no use conshot. Una no use corny. You know what? Because people for ground and people know who they do work for ground. We know who they work for ground. After 2 years or 3 years, we call ceasefire. Yeah, ceasefire don't end. We never see you say continue fire. Because when you say ceasefire, you are boiling. All the people there for you don't cease. You will come and say continue fire. You say fire, then they do act. You can't take the act. But where I need caution you, I don't get right to caution person, but now the reality that he don't lose control. This same talker. Now we can blast people the other time. He blasts all the other guys for Mato the other time. Oh. So, fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, now the short one that way I get for una today. Una continue for the support the Big Firewood. Will give una update as far as the Big Firewood be concerned till we reach Buea. Thank you so much for watching and una stay blessed.